If you're used to having kachumbari as your side dish, that is tomatoes and onions, today I'm going to show you how to make coleslaw, which is an easy and simple recipe. So you're going to find everything listed down in the description box. So I'm going to get started by slicing the red cabbage in half. This is how the cabbage looks on the inside. As you can see, it has so many beautiful layers over there. So I'm going to slice my red cabbage in quarters. You're going to pick your knife and thinly slice your red cabbage. Once done slicing, I'm going to pick my red cabbage and transfer it to my bowl. Pick the next cabbage and also thinly slice. Once done, I'm going to use a vegetable peeler and shred my carrots. Having one of these vegetable peelers in the house is quite handy because the vegetable peeler has a lot of functions. So this is one of them, shredding carrots. Also watch over your fingers. My last carrot. Once done, I'm going to pick up my carrots and place in the bowl as well. So this is how my bowl is looking at this point. So I have some red cabbage, white cabbage, and carrots. So the next thing is to add in some mayonnaise. And some honey. Squeeze in some lemon juice. And toss everything together to combine with the mayonnaise and the honey. My coleslaw has turned out very creamy from the mayonnaise, and the sweetness from the honey and tartness from the lemon. So this is just perfect. It's been around 5 minutes and my coleslaw is ready. For the best coleslaw recipe, just refrigerate before serving and everyone will be so happy that you made some delicious coleslaw. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this delicious coleslaw recipe.